Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pleasant stories and anecdotes narrated by Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wassalam. True meaning of friendship. Stealing is a bad habit. However, to use something that belongs to a friend, if they are indeed good friends, without permission, is not as indecent. Two individuals had a remarkable friendship. They were beneficent to each other. One of them went on a journey. One day, the other came to his friend's house. He inquired from his friend's slave girl about his friend. She told him that he had gone on a journey. He asked whether she had the key to the safe. She replied in affirmative. He asked for the key, opened the safe, and took some cash out of it. When the homeowner returned, the slave girl informed him that his friend had visited in his absence. The homeowner became very worried and asked, "What did he say?" The slave girl replied, "He asked me for the key to the safe." He opened the safe himself and took some money from the safe and left. The homeowner was ecstatic and proud of the act of the slave girl. He freed the slave girl because she complied with the demand of his friend and did not disappoint him. He said, "I free you today as a reward for performing such a noble deed."
कभी